Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department 8 RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today process scheduling. Contents: Introduction, process behavior for scheduling, scheduling levels, process scheduling goals, scheduling algorithms. Introduction. In computer science, scheduling is the method by which process or data flow are given access to the system resources. कंप्यूटर साइंस में हमारा जो शेड्यूलिंग है वो क्या एक मेथड है जो क्या करता है प्रोसेस करता है हमारे डाटा फ्लो को जो हमारे गिवन होता है एज सिस्टम रिसोर्स में. दिस इज यूजुअली डन टू शेयर सिस्टम रिसोर्स इफेक्टिवली और अचीव अ टारगेट क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस. और क्या करता है यूजुअली डन करता है हमारे रिसोर्स की इफेक्टिवली और अचीव करता है हमारे टारगेट क्वालिटी को हमारी सर्विस की. द नीड ऑफ फॉर शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिथम राइज फ्रॉम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मोस्ट मॉडर्न सिस्टम टू परफॉर्म मल्टीटास्किंग. और इसकी नीड कैसे हुई हमारे एल्गोरिथम राइज हुआ जैसे उसमें रिक्वायरमेंट हुई मोस्ट मॉडर्न सिस्टम की जो परफॉर्म करते हैं मल्टीपल टास्किंग को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं मोर देन वन प्रोसेस को एट अ टाइम. Process behavior for scheduling. CPU burst when a process has long computation to be executed by processor. Input-output burst, the occurrence of input-output operation. CPU bound process with initiative CPU burst, that is longer CPU cycles and lower number of input-output bursts. Input-output bound process has large number of frequent input-outputs within the smaller CPU burst. Scheduling levels. Long-term scheduling, medium-term scheduling and short-term scheduling. These are defined the scheduling level. Long-term scheduling. Long-term scheduling is done when a new process is created. It is initiate process and so control the degree of multi-programming, number of process in memory. Long-term scheduling हमारा क्या करता है डन करता है न्यू प्रोसेस को जो क्रिएट हुई है और इनिशिएट करता है हमारी प्रोसेस को और कंट्रोल करता है डिग्री ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोग्रामिंग को जो हमारे के नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेस इन मेमोरी होती है. Medium term scheduling. Medium term scheduling involves suspending or resuming process by swapping, rolling them out or into memory. Short term scheduling. Short term scheduling process or CPU scheduling occur most frequently and decide which process to execute next. Short term scheduling हमारा क्या करता है हमारे प्रोसेस ऑफ CPU है इसमें क्या करता है शेड्यूलिंग को अक्कर जो मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली को क्या डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सी प्रोसेस अब एग्जीक्यूट होगी नेक्स्ट टाइम. Process scheduling goals. The goals of scheduling may be categorized as under-based scheduling goals and system-based scheduling goals. User-based goals are the criteria that benefit the user. For example, user in multi-user environment expect the system to give quick response to job. System-based goals are criteria that benefit the system, that is performance of the system. For example, how much the processor is being utilized in processing the process. User-based scheduling goals. Time to execute process from start to completion, that is sum of waiting time, executing time or blocked waiting for event. For example, waiting for input output. Waiting time is directly impacted by scheduling algorithm को define करता है. Response time क्या करता है time for submission of request to production of first response. और predictability हमारा क्या करता है predictions about completion times and process by human mind. System based scheduling goals. Throughput, number of process that complete their execution per unit time. CPU utilization process time CPU busy. Fairness, all process should be treated equal, unit priority is set. Balance, there should be a balance between input output bound and CPU bound processes. First come first serve, that is defined the arrived process is added onto the tail of the queue and the process at the head of the queue is dispatched to process for execution. जो हमारी क्या है टेल पे हमारी जो प्रोसेस क्यू होती है हमारी क्या करती है डिस्पैच करती है प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए. प्रोसेस दैट हैज बीन इंटरप्रेटेड बाय एनी मींस डज नॉट मेंटेन प्रीवियस ऑर्डर टू द रेडी queue. Priority scheduling. The process are executed according to the priority number based scheduling. In the preference is given the process based on priority number assigned to it. Second one हमारा क्या shortest process, that is SPN. The process will with the shortest execution time is executed first. It is non-primitive scheduling algorithm. Round robin scheduling. The time slice are assigned to each process in equal portions and secular order, handling all process without priority. The design in such that whatever process finished before the time slice expires, the timer will stop and send the interrupt signal so that the next process can be scheduled. Improved round robin schedule. CPU consumption ratio. Actual CPU time is consumed total estimated execution time. Scheduling process if its CPU consumption ratio is greater than 0.60, else scheduling a process whose CPU consumption ratio is minimal. Multi-level queue scheduling. When process can be ready categorized, then the multiple separate queue can be established, each implementing whatever scheduling algorithm most appropriate type of job. Scheduling must also be done between queues. हमारी scheduling क्या होती है? Queues में done होती है. That is scheduling one queue at time the relative other queues to the common options are separate priority. Note that under this algorithm job cannot switch from queue to queue. Phase share scheduling. Phase share scheduling is scheduling strategy for computer operating in which the CPU is equally distributed among system user or group as opposed to equal distribution among process. Phase scheduling में हमारा क्या होता है? scheduling strategy जो हमारे कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में क्या करती है? CPU के यूजर्स